decided to make my grandson a shadow board to play with. I've got a couple of boards. This one here that I'm going to have another piece of wood behind it, so that it's got some spacing in behind the back, so I can put maybe like some little cupboards in the actual board so he can open and close them. These are a few of the things that I'm going to put on there, I'm hoping. Found a tube that I'm going to put, I've got a piece of sponge in there. I've made this, it's pretty simple, it's just a block of wood that I've drilled a hole through, and I'll put a spring on a large bolt. It's got a washer on the end, and you know, it just allows him to pull down on that and it springs and shoots that up, so that'll get mounted in there with another piece of wood on the other end, and then that'll shoot that up and down for him. Obviously I've got to give everything clean. A couple of wheels that, you know, you run one, it'll move the other one. This is probably where I'd have the cupboard so he can unlock it and open it. He loves wheels. He loves little brackets and things where he can move things. I'm gonna have to cut some chain up so that, you know, the mating parts you know, don't get lost. And I found some gears from Dennis's old motorbike that I've had to machine our sprues up so they've got a bit of a lip on the end, and that they actually fit and allow them to turn, so they'll all, you know, be screwed in. And then I'll have a piece of perspex over the top so it doesn't jam his little fingers in there. And I've got this other one here that I'm gonna weld this on here and make like a little crank handle for him. And you know, they're our sprues. They're what I'm machined down for it. So see how we go.